Hey, it's Malika with Lose a Pound Daily and the Keto Body Snapback movement. So by now you know that we have launched a new line of products called Keto Body Snapback. But with that, I wanted to tell you there's an additional benefit. For the Keto Body Snapback products, just those 4 products, you are able to earn a 50% commission. Yes. 50%. So that means for each bottle of drops, each bottle of ultra, each bottle of salts, each bottle of Keto 5, you get 50% back in commission. That's paid to you once a month. Now, of course, the commission does not apply to returned items. It only applies to items that have actually been purchased and have been kept. So 50% is what you would get. Now, that's big because keto is the biggest weight loss program popping. And you know how important it is to get in on something and get in on it when it's quick and when it's hot and when it's new. And even though keto hasn't been around very long, it's not brand new, but it's still at the peak. It's at the top, like it's at of the game. And this is open to anybody. Even though Keto Body Snapback products and the Snapping My Body Back movement is catered toward women over 40, that doesn't mean that that's the only people that it's for. You, whether you're a male, female, 18, 80, if you have a following or if you have the ability to spread the word about Keto Body Snapback, you have the ability to make a 50% commission. So what you need to do then, there is a link at the bottom of this video. Go ahead and sign on to become an affiliate. Now there is an affiliate fee of $19.95. That's $19.95. That's it. The affiliate fee gives you your own personal link. In addition to that, you'll get your coaching materials that have been specifically made for you that you'll get via email and you'll be able to download that will help you in selling the product. It gives you an edge over your competition to be able to tell people about Lose a Pound Daily and Keto Body Snapback. In addition to that, any customers that you have, you can go ahead and add them to the group. That way, we'll still coach them. We'll still train them. Any questions that they may have that may be outside of your scope of what you may not be familiar with, then you will have a place to put your customers and they'll be able to be surrounded by other people that can answer questions as well as myself and the admins in the group. In addition to that, if you sell to someone today and they purchase today and then in 3 more months they purchase again, each time they purchase you get 50%, not just off the first time, each time, as long as they use your link. So of course that's your customer. You'll need to make sure that they are aware that they have to use your link to reorder. So just go ahead and get started. Go ahead and sign up now because this is a movement. This is going to be big and your earning potential is unlimited. So why wouldn't you do it? Post it on your website, post it on your social media, post it in your blogs, write about it, send them to your website, send them to your YouTube channel. Make this a second job if you like. There is no limit on the earning potential that you would get with Lose a Pound Daily's Keto Body Snapback products. Sign up today and get your money.